by popular demand, I am back. Got my DJI mic this time. Okay. Motor's on. I'm gonna try taking off. Okay. And we are recording? No, I was taking pictures. Okay. Why is it in picture mode? Okay, there we go. Now we're in video mode. Okay. I'm at a new park today. I went to a park nearby my house. They were doing some football practice there, so I didn't want to be flying there and people asking me questions, so I came to another one. This one's cool. It has these soccer posts with no net, so I was thinking about doing some tricks through them. I'm gonna do some flips. Okay. Woo! And that one was fun. Okay. Let's do some power loops. Woo! It would be cool to do that and like go around the goalpost. I'm just not confident that I would time that correctly. And it's kind of too close to those trees. There's like this BMX park right there. Woo! I was 2 feet off the ground right there. And it's like the view is like so way different. It's crazy when you're looking at it through the goggles because you kind of feel like you're there even though you're not. Like it's obviously a screen. It's just pretty cool. What I want to do is I want to try to be more cinematic with this. I don't know how. Oh, that's a nice shot right there. I just have to learn to be more steady. Imagine like right here, someone's running with a soccer ball. And you're like chasing them. And then get another shot of them. That would be cool. Oh, they took down that goalpost right there. So no more goalpost on that side of the field. But there's still one on that side. You can see what's going on between these trees. Ooh, that's a cool turn. Let's climb up again. Check that view out. Woo! Free fall. Straight through these goalposts. U-turn. Nice. That's cool. Let's try to go through this side to the other side. Full speed. 3 feet off the ground, that's wild. That was trippy. These, when I'm like really close to the ground, first of all, it feels really weird in the goggles, just being that close to the ground. And knowing that it's not, you know, like an RC car, that would be different. These drifting ones, when the 180 drift, that's pretty cool. Like imagine you have a subject right there, and then you drift right next to them, and show them, and you're like, you know, backing up, whatever. Let's see what these trees look like. I think we already came here, but let's go down the row of trees from this way. A little trash can right there. Oh, there's another bench. Good thing no one was sitting on it. That would not be cool. Some palm trees. That's the BMX bike park right there. We're in Turlock, California, by the way. If anyone was wondering. Hard turn. Let's do another hard turn through here. Woo! Okay, let's bring it home. The sun is setting. Maybe one more. Let's do one more flip. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go through the goalpost one last time from the side. But I'm in sports mode now. So let's see. Woo! And there I am right there.